Guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my February update to the Beauty Chest Project Pan. So if you want to hear everything I've been working on, the 2 rollouts that I have for this update, then let's go ahead and get on into it. So this is created by Makeup Misfit and is based off the community chest cards from Monopoly. It goes from September 27th of last year to August 27th of this year. It's rolling style, collection specific goals. You start with 4 prompts and can roll in the same prompt multiple times, even in the same update. All the pertinent information, that's all in the description box. I will say my tablet is currently dead, and that's what I use to roll the prompts in on. So I'm going to just pick 2 prompts because I have the prompt list here. I'm just gonna pick 2 that I haven't done yet, because why not? And I know that's not the rules, and I know that's not the thing, but my tablet is dead, and I can't do anything about that. So I didn't want to wait to film this update for my tablet to charge. That's bad planning on my part. So I'm just gonna pick 2, and that'll be what we roll in, because I have 2 rollouts. So to start, we had affiliate codes, which is another beauty YouTuber, Panner's Pan Inspired. So I brought in my Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Glow Blush. This is what she looks like. This was inspired by DW at Dub's Beauty Diary. We both have this. I think she's inspired a couple other of our friends to get this. I've used this once so far in February, so I'm sitting at 10 out of 14 uses. Going forward, I'm only going to do my uses up to 10, but I'm going to leave this at 14. That's fine. I love this blush. It is gorgeous. So hopefully this will be a rollout for next update. But I'm happy I've used it once. And we have 2 rollouts, so 50% I'm happy. Then we had brand collabs, which is create a color story. So as you can see, there's shadows everywhere because I dropped this and 2 of the shadows broke. So I had 5 shadows in here that were the only 5 shadows that I hadn't used as of 2025 out of my single shadows. But I've used all 3 of these. I did 2 looks. These are done. They're beautiful. These 2 are from Pretties for Your Face, and this is a Cleona shadow. I had 2 Pretties for Your Face shades. They shattered. Pretties for Your Face shades are super fragile, so they just and exploded everywhere, but I had used them, so that is a goal met and a roll out. Then we have return a product. Not a favorite, which it's not. This is the Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealer, which I have in the shade 16N Fairlight Neutral. It's a really good shade for me, but it's a thicker concealer. I am wearing it today, and I just don't love it. It's got a super long doe foot applicator. I just don't think that I love Tarte concealers, because they're all thick. All of them. But I got an 8 use goal on this guy. I've used it 4 times in February. I've used it once in January because I didn't do a January update. So we're at 5 out of 8 uses. This will be a rollout for next month. And then we had makeup therapy, which is something that makes you happy. So I brought in this Fui, I forget what this one's called because it's not the pudding pot. It's like the Jello pot. This is a mellow mango. That is what it looks like. Smells delicious. Feels amazing on the lips. This is gorgeous. But I only had a 2 use goal on this guy. That was super easy to hit. I hit that on the 17th of February. So that is a rollout and a goal met. So we're going to roll in 2 prompts. And let's go ahead and look at the prompt list. What have I not worked on? Birthday gift. Pull in a mini. Well, I don't have a lot of minis. And I'm working on a lot of blush because I do have a mini blush that I could pull in, but surprise sale, something shiny. Ooh, I could pull in. I just got this, but that's too close. No. Ooh, declutter time, lose 2. No, that's not fair. I don't have anything with broken packaging. Most affordable. Anti-haul, roll out all products and start it, but that's 4 products. Smallest category. Something that already has a pan. I don't have a lot of things with pan. Okay, I'm gonna do subscription box because that's a mini palette and I know exactly what I'm gonna pull in. So, and I'm gonna pull it in for no pan left behind. So we got that. And let me scratch that off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pull in surprise sale, something shiny. I think, no, I'm gonna do birthday gift. And I got it as a birthday gift. Pull in a mini. Birthday gift. So I'm gonna go grab those products and I will be right back. Okay, for subscription box, which is pull in a mini palette, I'm pulling in my Natasha Denona Mini Retro because I want to get more use out of this year. This is one of my oldest palettes in my collection, and I can tell that the formula on this guy is changing, so I really want to get some good use on this. So I just want a no pan left behind it, which should not be too hard. And then for birthday gift, which is a mini or travel size or a mini or sample, I'm pulling in this Rare Beauty blush. It is the mini. It's in the shade Hope. So that's the color. It's beautiful, or at least I think so. I got this for my birthday, actually. And I'm just gonna do 5 uses. Right in the middle of my 10-use goal, 5 uses. And I actually think these would pair really pretty together. So I think that's wonderful. And 2 minis. So I'm pretty happy with that. So for Beauty Chest, those are the 2 items that I am pulling in. The 2 items that we had rolling out. I'm really sad that I crushed 2 eyeshadows, 2 full shadows. But I did just bring 1 new eyeshadow into my collection, 1 new single. So like the math, it adds up. But that's going to do it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.